Santé. Welcome. Bienvenue. Hi, great to see you again. Today's topic is drumroll, indome, which literally means letters. To write Kirundi, we only use 23 letters of the 26 letters of the Latin alphabet. The letters Q and X do not exist in Kirundi, and the letter L is only pronounced in Kirundi under these three particular circumstances. 1. In the name of a person, as in Elios, Alize, Joella, Teila. 2. In the name of a place, as in Dar es Salaam, Kampala, Kigali. 3. In words borrowed from another language, such as Ipanhalo, which comes from the word le pantalon in French. Now, let's take a closer look at how each letter is pronounced. First, vowels. Amajwi avuga. We use 5 vowels in Kirundi. In the table below, I will pronounce the sound of each letter and give you an example in Kirundi and in English of a word that has the same pronounced sound. A, abana, apple. E, ego, elephant. I, inha, ink. O, amahoro, hut. U, Burundi, foot. Now, let's take a closer look at consonants. Amajwi yindagi. Ve, Burundi, ukuboko. There's no equivalent sound to a soft B in English. Che, umucheri, cheese. De, idirisha, duck. Fe, igufa, fox. Ge, gukora, gift. He, muhira. The he sound is always sucked up, but quite slightly, as in hill. J, jewe, jet. Ke, ikaramu, kiwi. Me, imisi, milk. Ne, inuma, nuts. Pe, umupira, pig. He, ibarabara. The he sound is rolled like in Spanish. Se, isi, snake. Te, umutaka, 10. Ve, amavi, volcano. We, ikawa, west. Ye, akayabo, yes. Ze, amazi, zoom. In Kirundi, we also use a lot of consonant clusters, imperekeranya. We put together 2 or 3 consonants to create a new sound. We will examine these in more detail once we reach grade 2. But for now, let me show you 2 examples of consonant clusters. The word imhuzu means clothes. In this word, you have M and P put together to create a new sound, he. So the word is pronounced imhuzu, not imhuzu. Then we have India, which means food. In this example, you can see that the letters and the Y are put together to create a new sound, ndye. So the word is pronounced India, not India. Dusome. Let's read. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, N, O, P, R, C, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. Bye. Bye. Au revoir.